Hey guys, this is Belle here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a 3D Rainbow Loom shrimp sushi. This will be my first video in my first YouTube channel. I hope I did well. Let's get started. So the colors you'll need for a sushi are light orange, white, dark orange, and black. So first, we're gonna make the rice part. You're gonna take two white rubber bands, and from the middle to the upper one. Then you're gonna go from the first to the second peg and do that 4 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So repeat that on the other side. When you have a shape like this, you're gonna go from the middle to the middle first and do that 5 times. So this is 1, 2. So now, you're gonna take 2 rubber bands again, from the upper to the middle, and from the bottom one to the middle. So now, when you get a shape like this, we're gonna do the horizontal bands. So, skip this one, starting from the second peg. You're gonna stretch and pull it over. Like that. And you're gonna make a triangle. Pull it over and repeat on the next peg. Make a triangle and again make a triangle. So when you got 3 triangles there, you're gonna take your hook, a band, wrap it around your hook 3 times. So this is the cap band. You got 3 loops here and place it on the middle 5th peg. When you placed it on, you're gonna go inside those 3 loops that we just looped and grab the top 2 bands. Mine is from this band. So grab, loop it up and over. So the second top 2 bands are from the upper. Grab it and loop it forward. And the next is at the middle. So when you got this shape, you can start looping forward. So just go inside, grab those bands, and loop it forward. So now, when you're to the horizontal bands, make sure you go inside those horizontal bands and grab these 2 bands and loop it forward. At the middle, you don't have horizontal bands, so you just loop it. Make sure you go under this horizontal band and grab the upper next one. And repeat that till you go to the last peg here. So when you're to the last peg, you will go inside. You have no horizontal bands and grab these bands and loop it forward. Same as this side. So when you got this shape, you're gonna take 2 rubber bands and go inside all of these bands. Grab those 2 bands up and make a slip knot. Pull it tight, then you can take it off. So when you got this shape, put it aside first. You'll need it later. So now we're gonna make the shrimp part. So, same as the rice part, you're gonna take 2 bands again from the middle to the upper. Just like the rice, we're gonna do it 4 times. So 1, and repeat that on the other side. So when you got this shape, you're gonna go from the bottom first and loop it to here, to the middle one, like that. So now you're gonna take your light orange, so the middle orange part here. So first, you're gonna take 2 light orange, same as the rice, go inside the middle one. Do it 5 times, so 1, 2. So when you got this shape, again, we're gonna do those horizontal bands. So skip the first one. At the second one, we're gonna stretch it over and make a triangle. Stretch it over and make a triangle. Do it 3 times. So you got 3 triangles. And now we're gonna do this tail of the shrimp. So now you're gonna use those dark orange from the middle to the bottom, and then from the middle to the upper. And now you're gonna take 1 band, make a cap band. So twist once, twice, and 3 times. So you got 3 loops here, and place it on both of these pegs. So I got 1 peg done. Make another cap band and place it on this peg. So when you got this shape, you're gonna start looping. You're gonna go inside these cap bands, loop it over, and grab it to this peg. Same as the other side. So now we're gonna go inside all of those dark orange and grab the top 2 ones. Mine's are this light orange. So go inside, grab them, and pull it here. So make sure you're grabbing the right bands. If you didn't, you're not gonna have a raindrop shape like this one. So go inside those dark orange, grab the top 2 bands, which is the white, is from here, the upper, and grab it to the upper. Go inside and grab the last 2 ones. And now, again, you're gonna start looping like the rice one. You're not gonna have horizontal bands at the first ones. So now, we're gonna go inside those horizontal bands. Make sure you go inside and grab it forward. At the middle you don't have them, and the sides you do. Repeat these steps till the end. When you got this shape, you're gonna go here, inside those last ones, and loop it forward. Loop it forward. So when you're done, you should have a shape like this, and you're gonna grab 2 white rubber bands and make sure you go inside all of these bands here. Grab them and make a slip knot. Like that. Pull them tight and you can take it off. So when you got this shape, you're gonna take your rice part, this one, and put it on top. You don't need your loom and your hook right now. You just need these black bands. I prefer using 5 of them. So it's the seaweed. You're gonna stretch and put them together like that. So now you have the shape. If you don't like these things tangling out, you can just put it in the sushi, tuck it in. So here's your finishing sushi. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye! Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make sushi.